we are done with Athens and now we're on our way to Mykonos and we're on this beautiful ferry. So we boarded the ferry at around 6:30 in the morning. So we've been up since about 4:35-ish. So had a long day. It's about 11:30 now and we're having our lunch. Altogether it's about a 4.5 to 5 hour journey from Athens to Mykonos by ferry. It's so nice here. It's very windy though, but oh my god, the scenery, the blue ocean and the blue sky, it looks gorgeous. Here, take a look. So this is the top deck of the ferry where the restaurant is, one of the restaurants. That if you want a comfy seat, like like a sofa seat for yourself, a designated seat, then you have to book that in advance. That's actually called VIP seating. Otherwise you have to sit like in a restaurant basically, because they've got many scattered all around the ferry. But if that's not comfortable for you, then you get your designated seat, and that's what we ended up doing. Initially we just had a normal seat, but I felt that it's such a long journey. It's so early in the morning and I am a zombie in the morning, so I was a little cranky, and so sort of went ahead and got me the big comfy couch seat, and I slept for about 3 hours and now I'm so happy. Thank you, Saurav. Thank you for the seat. Thank you for everything. You can have your coffee now.
Sone. We have reached Mykonos. Sony feels sick right now.
Seasick.
Seasick. Oh well. We are back on the ground. Almost. Gonna disembark our ferry. And that is Mykonos right there. So that was our ferry. And this is Zara. That's me. We have reached Mykonos. And now we are looking for our driver who's here to pick us up. And we are gonna go to our hotel, Hotel Poseidon. So our vehicle is here. Bags are getting loaded. Sona Singh is already sitting inside. So windy. Are you excited?
No, I'm not excited yet. I'm sick.
She's kind of sick. We are loading our stuff now. Look at my hair. All the wind.
It's so windy.
It's all messy.
Just a word of advice. Okay, the ferry ride is nice and smooth, but as you are disembarking, if you have a problem with motion sickness like I do, wait until the ferry stops completely and then get off your seat. Because when the ferry is anchoring itself, it's turning and oh my gosh, you get sick.
One more thing. So whenever you're traveling anywhere in the world, usually I use this app to make all the transfer booking. That is known as Get Transfer.
Oh my gosh.
Tinted
So
glass.
gorgeous. Hey guys, thanks for watching. I hope you all enjoyed this informative vlog on the Blue Star Paros Ferry. And now stay tuned for my next vlog on our adventures in Mykonos. And if you haven't already, please do not forget to hit the subscribe button.